second time it's on road racing, Max.
Oh, but Kyle, you went off as well, though.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Every week we find some form of racing or adventure and we bring those stories to you. I'm Max.
I'm Kyle.
I'm Sean.
And I'm Bryan. Welcome to AGM.
Bryan, we got a lot of rain last night.
Oh my god, that was an understatement.
It's pretty nasty in here now. Everything's wet.
Yes.
There's nothing that's not wet. Removing all the water from the car.
This is like my 8th time doing this.
Oh my god. We're just kind of making breakfast now and getting ready for a day of racing.
Oil's good, coolant's good. What's next?
Amber.
Yesterday, we may have started last, but today we're for sure starting last.
Yeah, we're 100% starting last.
So let's see how many spots Bryan can pick up.
Yeah,
Bryan's coming through.
Yeah. Bryan started, he got onto the last sighting lap. The race has started, he's about a half a lap behind. So he's gonna have to find his lines early on by himself instead of trying to find someone on pace. So we'll see how he does. It's gonna be pretty interesting.
Sleeves are up now. It's clobbering time. Like 10 people, and he just keeps passing people, and he's really fast. It's like really cool to see.
Hey Bryce, is that you trying to get us on the radio?
I am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, got you loud and clear.
Yeah, the car's getting hot. Slow it down.
10-4. You're running a real strong pace with the leaders, so you got lots of room to back off and be good.
Go ahead. You just can't go fucking hard or it'll just start puking. I had to just cruise. I was like fucking playing drums on the steering wheel the whole time.
All right, good to go.
All right, that pit went pretty well. Got Kyle in the car now. He's out there doing his thing. The car's still getting hot, so he's just kind of cruising. Room for you, Kyle.
The car is running super hot. So
Bryan is just setting a blistering pace. That's why.
But he said the last few laps, the last 15 minutes, he was just cruising along.
The car's understeering a lot more today than it did yesterday.
Just hot, you think?
I don't know. We don't have any data. It is what it is.
Car's got a vibration, sounds real different.
He's going slow.
We do not copy.
Coming off track.
36 minutes.
Car's got a bad vibration. Sounds like the exhaust is falling off. There's a clunk underneath it.
Jack,
Oh, O2 sensor's off.
that broke the weld.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Bryan, those one race desert guys that came over to us said they had a welder.
Did they?
Yeah.
We should go talk to
I
them.
think they're down that way.
Yeah, man. He had mentioned a few times, and we're like, we don't need a welder?
I know.
That's such a random thing.
Yeah.
And now we need a welder. Thank God for him.
Oh no.
I can see this,
Yeah, that's broken.
but the hole is on the top of the exhaust.
Oh, God.
And there's no way to get to it, so I'm gonna try to set this in place and just blindly weld it. The torque tube's fucking stable. We'll go look at the back of the car, but I don't see why this would have happened. Metal doesn't just rip itself out.
Well, you know when it happens, the exhaust sounds different. Things bounce off the bottom of the car.
You did a good job of hearing the noise. So if you hear that again, come in. And if you do hear it again, you might as well come in right here.
Yeah. We're gonna go try and get the car to you.
All right.
You need to go finish your session because I don't want my breakfast to be interrupted again.
Well, now we have a hole in the exhaust.
Cool.
The car is overheating.
Cool.
It's understeering,
Nice.
and we know the left rear wheel is bent. So we're gonna do what you should do when you have that many problems. We're gonna go give it hell. No, we're gonna nurse it around so that everybody gets in the car, and the car hopefully gets back off the track at the end of the day without exploding
Yeah.
or towed. So no exploding the toad.
Don't explode, don't implode, don't get towed.
Younger flame, he in sicko mode.
Subscribe.
Kyle kind of got off the track. He was pushing hard.
Yeah. He's trying to catch up to that guy, right?
Yeah.
Over here. Okay, okay, you're good, man. Now push back. Okay, and then I'm coming in at 3. Yeah, 3 in a couple minutes. You're good. Go ahead.
Just got out of the car for my Sunday stint. I was in the car in basically an hour and then in to fix the O2 sensor and then back out for an hour. It was a really, really fun session. It was everything I had. At my skill level, I couldn't have pushed any harder without making a big mistake, and I made a few. Yep, I am the last driver of the day, of the race weekend. Max is out there. He had a good couple of battles. You guys are gonna get an update from me here in about 2 hours.
That was so much more fun than first day. Yeah.
John, where am I at on time?
There's 15 seconds.
Clear, clear.
Yeah, so this time I went off twice again, but I didn't spin, just off. Today I felt like an actual race car driver. Yesterday I felt like I was just on track and people were passing me. I was like, ah! I see the car! Yeah, yeah.
So you got down, you were like 212 consistently, right there, and then you got down to 209.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah. That was so, oh my God. When I was with the 3 cars, that was so much fun. I literally like yelled in the GoPro. I was like, I'm racing! Every time something sketchy would happen, it's like, Rich just gotta get in the car. Rich just gotta get in the car.
We were watching you right here when you got on the outside. I went, fuck, he's gonna do exactly what I did. As soon as it went out, I watched you go wide. Rich goes, yep.
I did it one time, yeah. And then yeah, I had a crazy ride out of the bowl.
You passed people today.
I know, I passed people today. That was so much fun. Yeah, yesterday I didn't pass anybody.
Yeah, you did a way better job today.
There's no brakes left. I feel bad for Rich because Rich is on track now and he doesn't have the brakes because I used them.
Yeah.
And I feel bad. I'm sorry.
But Rich is a good driver.
That's true. That's true.
He doesn't need brakes.
No, he's too fast.
Yeah.
Sure did.
Woo! Rich brought it home.
He did.
Oh my God.
No,
That was fun.
it's a 3-piece splitter.
I think
These are more expensive.
we
See
all
that?
had a part in that.
I don't know if like, you know, I maybe didn't do any of this, but it's okay. No. We didn't know what the hell we were doing coming into it. We didn't know what the hell we were doing during it, and we still managed to top 5 in class, so I think it's a success.
All right, cars in the trailer. Rich, subscribe. We'll see you next week.
We'll see you next week.